I'd like to thank everyone for coming out to our official launching of Aprilia and Moto Guzzi in the Philippines. It's been a long road for myself, Mike, and Rafi, and our partners in Piaggio to get to where we are. So again, I want to thank my two partners and Mr. Nicola Capello, who's visiting us from Singapore. Thank you guys. Again, I'd like to acknowledge our new partners, once again, from Norminring, Mr. John D. Lacson, thank you for coming and supporting us. Also, from our other partners in the LausGroup, Mr. Adrian Laos, thank you so much for coming out and showing your support and being one of our dealers for this lovely brand that we're bringing back to the Philippines.